and welcome to DEADBOLT. My name is Nick, and welcome to DEADBOLT. I saw this game on Steam. Actually, I saw. One time I heard the soundtrack for this game, and I think it was kind of cool. So I searched this game up, and it turns out to be a really good game. Like, it has really great opinions on Steam. So I wanted to check it out and play it. So here we are. Let's start the game. Another night. You look goofy, actually. All right, let's be serious. D O W to use stars. Try to pick up now. Get too nice. Stop. Ah shit! Fuck off! Where was I? It's cover. Yeah. It's cover. There we go, yeah. Who can fucking yeah, I can throw the knives. Hello, fuck you. Oh shit. Really, he won't hit 1 KO and he KO'd me? Go. He shot me instantly. I didn't even have a gun, like I just fucked. Fuck you. That was brutal, damn. Fuck yeah, let's go. It's a wall, right? Where? Oh, I'm so cool, bro. So fucking cool, bro. There we go. I can turn off the lights. Oh my god, that's so cool. Let's go. That's simple. First time was cool enough. Let's go. This game's actually so cool. Oh, that action review. But the light switch in my house doesn't work, so that's terrifying. The things work live. And the voice speaks out. I let it live. I let it return. Checking for the jobs. Face. Yeah, where? It's not the things, right? I don't actually think kill one alone. The fire leaks and seals and dead zombies implemented must fight towards the afterlife. There we go. Noisy neighbors. Zombie kings. So I'm killing zombies. That's kind of... nothing happened. Locked in. So I'm in... Wait, what? What do you mean? I mean, it doesn't like I've done bad, right? My life actually started working, or where would it? That's unsettling, but actually kinda comfy. And the flames roar to life. Begin to crop strange powders from below. Inside the flame, eject their brains. Inside their flame, eject their brains and see what it contains. There's a bouncer on the far side of the house. I can kill him to get his weapon. A new drug called Ash. His candles say that it makes you feel like you're alive again. The flames my employer wants to know more. Large zombie with shotguns. Take a few shots to the head to bring them down. Alright, so he's not fun actually. Okay. Not a fun, no fun zombie. New high, zombies are selling some strange drug. Find out what it is. Everything's cool. So this is where I need to touch Roland said no. Where is this zombie? Good night. That's fine, we can save ambulance. Where will it lead? Nowhere actually. Okay. I do. So this guy is tough, right? Plays video. Yeah, he's a shotgun actually. What the fuck? Thank you. Thank you for the powder. It's also like other things. I'm guessing I will die if I fall from the heights. Hey, what the fuck? I guess no headshots because I like kablammed everybody, just to be sure. And see visions inside. The flames roar to life and I see visions inside. Fireplace began to speak. Oh! Flesh caskets breathe, burn the ash, scatter their teeth. New gun. Oh yeah, shotgun. I see vision of Kacharon, the ferryman. He may be interested in the souls I have collected for our mutual employer. I should see him at the docks before my next mission. Next to the docks, I can exchange souls for weapons before I accept my mission. So I'm collecting souls, or am I freeing the souls? Because I don't get it. I see two entrances to the house. The left entrance has less zombies, but the right entrance has more weapons. My choice. Also, like do haste or something? Oh, it's just a haste. There's no preparations. Yeah, two entrances. Oh, fuck off, it doesn't kill both of them? That's so stupid, actually. Oh fuck, oh, no, zamykałem już drzwi. Boy, it's so hard actually. I was closing the fucking doors, for fuck's sake. Waiting. That was actually nice. They can see me better. I don't want to risk it, to be honest. I'm just gonna go and get out. Yeah, I don't think I wanna kill a zombie anyway. I'm getting so harshly like, well, soul collector. I'm getting like so harshly, so harshly treated for those missions. Like so hard to get good score. Death taxers, I can't buy much. A blunderbuss, flashbang, mouse gun, low power, holds only to bullet. Holds to bullet, low power. So I can't really buy anything good. But like, I can, you know, I don't think I need anything, to be honest. Yeah. I think I'm good, actually. I'm good. I will save what I have and say goodbye. I will see you later. Who the fuck are you? Zombie. Wake up. I wake up. Cold water dogs again. Splinters in my head. Where am I? Roland's here? He helps me say. He says we leave. He says we don't have to come back to the docks again. He gives me a hint, good hint. I feel it in my tongue and my throat, and my hands and my feet and my ears and I wake up. How much time? Thumping in my ear. Music. I look down, and there's another splinters in my hand. Roland's gone. I die again. I overdose again. I wake up, hands wet, feet wet, dogs again. I'm living in a room. I'm in living room. I need more ash. Roland? I hear the music again. I hear yelling. The room fills up with cold water. A splinter and we all overdose again. I wake up, knocking at the door. Roland? So he's drugging somebody? Bro, I saw you move. You were putting that here and now you're saluting. It's like you're not seeable. You have light on your head. And you leave no shadow, that's kind of awful. Roar to life and you see vision of a man. Wait, actually, I don't want to. I want to. Do I save the game? Quit to main menu. Load the game. Off. Alright, so everything works. Quit the main menu. Yes, return. So I think that will do it for today's episode. Hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Bye.